I will tell you about my travel to Zilina. Zilina is a small town situated in the north of Slovakia. Zilina stays very close to the border with Poland and the Czech Republic. If you like nature, quiet places, green color, different experience, you must go to Zilina. My journey for Zilina started from Bratislava. I traveled by train from the Bratislava train station and arrived in Zilina after 2 hours and 30 minutes, and the cost of the ticket is about €9. I found a taxi at the arrival door of the train station that took me to the hotel. The hotel is located in a wonderful place within nature. I let you see some photo of this nice hotel. That's what you will find when you get up in the morning. After a quiet night at the hotel, in the morning after breakfast, I enjoyed a fantastic walk in the nature. I spent several moments on the terrace that has a beautiful views. The restaurant offers delicious and good food. Then I went to the city center. I have had lunch in the center of the city. I have noticed that people in Zilina are very kind. After my visit to the city, I decided to walk back to the hotel, enjoying the views and nature. Although my trip to Zilina has not lasted long, but this city has left a very good image in my memory, and I want to plan another future travel to this beautiful city. I recommend you visit Zilina. Subscribe to my channel. I will tell you about other nice places to visit.